Hi everybody, this is Felicia, and I'm back for Wild Whispers Designs, and I am using another one of those lovely papers that they have, and it's called Wood Grains. That is their collection for the month of February. And so I am going to go ahead and cut off this little bottom strip here at the bottom of the paper. And I'm going to be using this particular wood grain, and I'm going to be scrapping a photo of a cathedral that I saw when I visited Salt Lake City earlier in 2017 when I attended the Scrap Gals retreat. So it's a black and white. I turned it black and white because it went better with the wood grains. And then that also allows me to add a little bit of color. See, there it is. That thing was so huge, and so it was pretty but creepy looking at the same time. And no disrespect intended for cathedrals, but I mean, they really look like, oh my gosh, you know. I have a book of cathedrals, and I've always wanted to see cathedrals, and this is my first time seeing one in person. And so it was really interesting. So I'm looking forward to pretty much seeing more of the cathedrals here in the near future, hopefully. Anyway, so what I plan on doing with this layout is I plan on doing minimal embellishment. Now, what I mean by that is I am going to be doing a small amount of embellishing because I want the paper to be seen. In other words, that is what I'm showcasing, and so that is what I want to be seen. And believe me, you would like these wood grains. There's all different types and all different colors, and I just love the way all of them look, especially the particular ones that I am scrapping on. So, and that ampersand that you see right there is also from the Wild Whispers design shop as well. And I'm putting some of the ATG tape on there, which is doing pretty well. I'm just putting it in different sections so that it'll stay down. And I'm going to be putting that right there because I thought it would be the perfect spot. My title is also going to be going next to that. So I wanted it to make sure that it was in the right spot. Now, I just, like I said, I am showcasing the paper, so I don't want to put a whole bunch of embellishments, and that's why the embellishments are also a little bit more muted so that you can actually see the quality of the paper and the design of the paper. So I'm putting on this little puffy sticker here, and it says Wowza because that's exactly what I said. I didn't say Wowza, but I said wow, and I thought I'd put the whole Wowza in there because it sounded better. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I'm adding some of my quick dry glue on here because the sticker will not stick and it won't stay down. And that came in my one of my hip kits there. So I'm putting it down right now there, making sure it sticks, mashing it down real good. And so the title is a black puffy sticker. And like I said, the color embellishments are kind of a little bit more subdued. That way you can see the paper more so than anything else. And I wanted that. So anyway, so while we were in the Salt Lake City there, I saw that cathedral. I took a picture of about two different ones because there was about, I think, four of them within our walking distance, but then we started getting a little hungry and tired and then went to go eat and then forgot to go take the pictures again of the rest of them. So that's just, it was kind of funny. So I got a little title here, and not title, I'm sorry, a little thing here that I'm going to put at the bottom of this layout. I thought it would be a cute thing to put down there, and I wanted to raise it up, and it says remember, because I do. I want to remember what that place looked like and how it felt to stand there in front of this humongous building and try to take a good photo, which is what I ultimately kind of gave up trying to take a really good photo, just enough so that I can showcase the cathedral there that I was taking the photo of. So I'm using some of these sequin stars that I have left over. These things are lasting forever. And if anyone knows where they came from, you know what company they came from. I mean, they're lasting forever. They came from the Felicity Jane. So, but I am definitely, they're hanging on. So I'm going to add this little film strip here of washi tape because this black and white photo kind of reminds me of black and white film. And so I decided to go ahead and put that down there to add some interest and character to the layout here, which I'm glad I did because it looked a lot better doing that. And then what I usually do is end up wrapping the rest of the washi around the sides. That way it stays put. Alrighty, so now I'm going to start gluing down each one of these black star sequences, but I'm not going to let you watch me do that. And we are done. Oh, the magic of filming. I wish we could do that with our house cleaning and laundry. Anyway, back to my subject. Now I am going to write quite a lengthy bit of journaling here. And I left this space open on purpose just so that I could write some journaling, which serves as part of the decorative element of the page because that's how I usually journal anyway. And I thought I would go ahead and put these lines down here and start writing pretty much about the cathedral. So yeah, so I just pretty much put down here that we visited Salt Lake City during one of the Scrap Gals retreats, and we decided to go around and look at some of the sites and the cathedrals we could see, and then we were on top of one hill, we could see another one, but I decided to go ahead and start taking photos of the cathedrals here that were scattered throughout the city of Salt Lake. That's funny, the city of Salt Lake. Anyway, so now I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some of my Heidi Swap mist down here in black velvet, and that will be pretty much it for the most part for this layout. But yeah, I just wanted to keep it simple. And if you guys are ever wondering how you can do minimal embellishment, kind of if you want to just showcase the paper, this is one of the ways that you can do it. Just keep your embellishments to a minimal and a minimum, sorry, and then you'll be set. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching and participating here in the videos that we've been putting up for the Wild Whisper Designs. And I'm sorry I neglected to say that I will be putting up a video every week for a month, and then I'm off the next month. So I have one more video that's going to go up for this month, and then next month you won't see a video until the following month, which will be April. So thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I hope you enjoyed this, and have a great and happy, wonderful rest of your week, and scrap happy, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.